Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer money from PayPal to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're looking to invest in cryptocurrencies or just manage your finances better, this step-by-step guide will get you there quickly and securely. First off, let's talk about why this matters. With the crypto world evolving fast, having funds in Coinbase can open doors to trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. But remember, things might change by 2025, so always double-check the latest updates on both platforms. Before we jump in, make sure you have a verified PayPal account and a Coinbase account linked to your bank or debit card. This process might involve a few extra steps since direct transfers from PayPal to Coinbase aren't always straightforward, but don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Head over to the dashboard and select Transfer Funds, or Withdraw Money. You'll want to withdraw your desired amount to your linked bank account. Keep an eye on any fees. PayPal might charge a small percentage for this, especially internationally. Step 2. Once the money is in your bank account, log into your Coinbase app or website. Go to the Deposit section and choose your bank as the funding source. Select the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Coinbase could take a few business days to process, so be patient. Now, for 2025, you might see some new features like faster withdrawals or integrated wallets, but the core process remains similar. Always enable two-factor authentication on both accounts to keep your funds safe from scams. A quick tip: check for any minimum transfer amounts or additional verification steps, as regulations could tighten. If you're new to this, start small to avoid any hiccups. There you have it. Transferring money from PayPal to Coinbase is straightforward once you know the steps. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.